This is leftover Costco chicken. Sea salt. That was about 1.5 tablespoons. So that's about 1/3 of a cup. Cooking wine. Tablespoon Korean soy sauce. Quarter cup sesame seed oil. Two tablespoons. Mix this all together. Two liters of boiling water. Gonna add all the goodies now. Bring this to a boil and reduce your heat to medium high. Cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes. You can give it a taste and add additional salt if necessary. Black pepper.